Maxwell offers to testify before Congress, but with major conditions, including immunity. Caitlin Collins, CNN, updated 1:21 p.m., July 29, 2025. Jeffrey Epstein, accomplished Ghislaine Maxwell, has offered to testify before Congress, but with major conditions, including immunity, according to a list of her demands sent to the House Oversight Committee by her attorneys. House Oversight Chair James Comer subpoenaed Maxwell to testify next month. In a new letter sent to Comer Tuesday, Maxwell's attorneys said they initially decided to invoke her Fifth Amendment rights, but then offered to cooperate with Congress if a fair and safe path forward can be established. Her attorney noted Maxwell is currently appealing her conviction to the Supreme Court and argued that, quote, any testimony she provides now could compromise her constitutional rights, prejudice her legal claims, and potentially taint a future jury pool, unquote. Quote, compounding these concerns are public comments from members of Congress that appear to have prejudiced Ms. Maxwell's credibility without even listening to what she has to say or evaluating the extensive documentation that corroborates it, unquote, the letter states. An Oversight Committee spokeswoman on Tuesday rejected the idea of giving Maxwell immunity, quote, the Oversight Committee will respond to Ms. Maxwell's attorney soon, but it will not consider granting congressional immunity for her testimony, unquote, the spokeswoman said. Quote, I don't think there are many Republicans that want to give immunity to someone that may have been sex trafficking children, unquote, Comer told CNN last week. Maxwell's conditions, as laid out by her attorneys, include a grant of formal immunity. The interview can't happen at the correctional facility where she's serving her sentence. Quote, to prepare adequately for any congressional deposition and to ensure accuracy and fairness, we would require the committee's questions in advance. Surprise questioning would be both inappropriate and unproductive, unquote. The interview would be scheduled, quote, only after the resolution of her Supreme Court petition and her forthcoming habeas petition, unquote. It's likely the Supreme Court will not act on Maxwell's petition until October, when the justices are scheduled to return from a summer break. Her attorneys said if the demands cannot be met, quote, Maxwell would have no choice but to invoke her Fifth Amendment rights, unquote. Notably, the letter ended with a final appeal to President Donald Trump for clemency. Quote, of course, in the alternative, if Ms. Maxwell were to receive clemency, she would be willing and eager to testify openly and honestly in public before Congress in Washington, D.C. She welcomes the opportunity to share the truth and to dispel the many misconceptions and misstatements that have plagued this case from the beginning, unquote, her attorney said. CNN's Annie Grayer and Manu Raju contributed to this story. This is a developing story and will be updated.